Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. I want to say congratulations to everyone that won yesterday. That is why I always say follow this channel, subscribe to this channel, and also like the video so that whenever I post game, Facebook and YouTube will also recommend it to you and others. Okay, let's get started. The first game we have today is in Germany, and my prediction is home team to score 1 to 3 goals. The same option I gave yesterday that won. That is a game between Borussia Dortmund taking on Augsburg. The next one is a game between Real Sociedad taking on Las Palmas in Spain La Liga. Same option, home team 1 to 3 goals. This option means that if the home team will score at least 1 goal and they will not score more than 3 goals. I've seen people ask the meaning of this option yesterday, so I just have to explain it to you. Then the next one is a game in Malta where Hamrum Spartan is taking on Hibernian STA, the same option. We'll move on to Bundesliga 3 in Germany, the same option again between SSV taking on FC Victoria Cologne. Again between Leicester taking on Blackburn Rovers, the same option. Again between West Brom taking on Preston North End, the same option. Still in England Championship. Then we move on to Italy where we have Sassuolo taking on Inter. Then I give Inter Milan to score 1 to 3 goals. That is their away team. Then we move on to a game between Brest taking on Nantes in France. They won the same option, 1 to 3 goals for the home team, which is Brest. Then we have a game between Monaco taking on Clermont. I give the same option. I don't think Monaco should be able to score more than 3 goals in this game. Then I have a game in Bundesliga, Germany Bundesliga, a game between Wolfsburg taking on Darmstadt, the same option, home team. Then I have the last game between Real Madrid taking on Cardiff. Can Real Madrid score more than 3 goals in this game? I don't think so. So if you think otherwise, you can change your option. You can give them over 2.5 goals, but I don't think Real Madrid will score more than 3 goals in this game. That gives us a total of 20 odds, 11 matches. And then this is the booking code. This is the booking code for the game. So if you want to join others and win the same way other people were winning yesterday like this, you can chat me up on WhatsApp for our VIP. It's a paid service. It's not free. You have seen all the winning ticket here. So chat me up on WhatsApp. Our subscription fee is very affordable for everyone to join. So let's talk on WhatsApp if you are interested. It's not free, it's not pay after. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.